Right, so that's right. Hello everyone, that's just the extractor fan, but my mummy and daddy are watching Demons if you know them. But here are 4 different hair dryers, and they're all different makes, they're all different models, and I've also got a very bright sensor light, so that it lights up the video that we're taking. So first let's start with this hiding Visique with no grill on here. This is maybe a bit dark. As it says, it's a bit rubbed off, but you can't read it, but I'll read it out for you. It says the model is CHD 317, 220 to 240 volt, 50 hertz, 1800 watts to 2000 watts by Argos Mark 9. This is another one. This is another one, different Visique with the glue on. This is a model CHD 317, like the other one. 220, 240 volts, 50 hertz, 1800 watt, 2000 watt to 2000 watts, Argos Mark 9. Now this one's slightly more powerful than the other one. Over here we've got a Phil Smith. You can see that there. Phil Smith. Now let's see the model. It doesn't say the model, it only says dryer with diffuser. And then lastly, we have got an old Tesco one. Let's read the model, let's read the name. Again, it's a black one. Where is it? Can't see it anywhere. Very mini one. Must have rubbed off. Oh, there it is. Tesco hairdryer, model HD 2011. Right, let's get them all out. Right, let's get them all going. Right, time to get going. This Visique here. Here we go. No grill. Here we go. Higher speed. Push it a bit down if you're on low. And when you put it to medium heat, puts it down, puts the speed down. Just turn that light on. Just because it's been on that heat. This is the other Visique. Turn it on. Got on low speed and medium heat. Then turns it down so the pump. Again, the thing's kitchen, turn that thing on again. This is a Phil Smith. You ready? This one, maybe because it's easy to do something, maybe should I give it a little rev? Right, try to turn it on. Number 1. High. Turn low. Now turn down. lastly, we got this Tesco one. So I'm not going to be able to review my hairdryer that's at the caravan because we're not at the caravan. We've got some Monaco Super, but we're not at there. Okay. The light has gone off again. Right, let's go for this Tesco one. Here we go. That's really very powerful. Test on that. No. Actually, because it's a light. Right, let's give him a wave then. Give him a wave. Right. First, we'll start with this physique. Use the other physique. Phil Smith. And Tesco. Ready? Right, a bit rough. Right, and there we go. That's a demonstration of two physiques, Phil Smith and Tesco one, of a 7-minute video. Wow, what a long video. Maybe I'll just do just some last touches to the video. Buttons. Medium heat and high heat. Hold button on the physique. High speed and high speed. Next physique. Medium heat and high heat. Cold button. Low speed and high speed. Phil Smith. Medium heat, high heat, cold button, high speed, low speed, I'll say that. Last we've got Tesco one. Can't switch that up, but can't switch it up because it's too hard, and I don't want to do it because it's an old hairdryer, isn't it? So it's a spark, but medium heat and high heat, and cold button, low speed. There we go. There we have it. Physique, Phil Smith, and Tesco one. There we go. There we have it. All of them. That video done. The physiques. Maybe just some final touches. Final touches are finishes. This has got a silver finish with its black fin. Silver finish with its black fin. Grey black finish with its grey leather finish too, and silver finish with its black thing, you know, the thing on the front, whatever you call it. There we go. There we have it. A 10-minute video of this physique, the Phil Smith and the Tesco one. There we have it. Bye.